Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we are testing this beautiful Defender. So first of all we have to get in this massive car. It's really high and broad and everything. Got nice lettered interior, electronic adjustable seats. Oh, there it is, that high. We got this Defender over there, and as well we got him here, some infotainment stuff, you know, automatic transmission, and what is more, under the hood there is a 6-cylinder petrol engine which produces lovely 400 horses. And as you might recognize over there, the Land Rover logo in the head-up display, really lovely. I like it. So, but now let's start the car and start this test drive. We got keyless go, therefore I only have to push the button, put it into drive, and basically here we go. Yeah, as I already said, this car is really high. You get in it and it's like a truck. You feel like driving a truck. Those big mirrors on the side even push this feeling. But nonetheless, it is huge, it is bright, high, all that stuff. But visibility wise, it's really great. It's really good. The mirrors are this huge, therefore, yeah, there is a lot of space for the mirror. You see really good. Mirror over there, there is also great visibility. And for all the corners and the areas where you cannot see with your eyes from inside the car, you got those cameras like everywhere. I know, yeah, you know, it's in front of us. I could change it to the rear as well. Yeah, it's I really love this car. When I first saw this car coming out some 1, 2, 3 years ago, it was like, oh my god, what did they do? But to be honest, Land Rover is turning into a completely new. They are refreshing everything. Modern luxury, they call it, and they really do. I mean, it's the Defender, one of the cheaper cars they produce, but as well in here it feels really luxurious and robust. The engine sounds so lovely. I mean, it's only a 6-cylinder, 3 liter, but you hear it a little bit and it sounds really good and powerful. I mean, you need 400 horses in such a car, because otherwise, yeah, you couldn't overtake anyone. It's quite heavy, you know, but I like it. You can adjust the height, of course, being an off-road vehicle. We got some different driving modes. I won't show you all of them, cause yeah, you know, sand, winter, snow, whatever, rock climbing. They got so many different off-road modes. I'm not sure about how effective those are. But of course, in rock mode, the car goes all the way up, and maybe it changes how the ABS works or the throttle response works. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, it's a really great car. Visibility, I said, is really great, except for those huge I don't know the word in English, I'm sorry. You know, We got panoramic roof, infotainment system, a nice display over there. The driver's display is, well, it isn't old school, but it is digital, but it's well made. I think it looks like old driver's displays, but you get this modern adjustable navigation system, and you could also choose different layouts, but I prefer this one. I like how it overlays, you know. It's it seems to be one thing and not like navigation there, speed there, you know. I like that. What I don't like is the knobs over there and there. Well, I like knobs on the steering wheel, don't get me wrong, but it's not intuitive. Like when I first drove this car, I had to, what does it do there? What are you doing? I'm pushing this button and you're doing nothing. But by the time you will get used to this, it's fine. But it's not intuitive like in other cars. Like you press the button and you know what's happening. No, it's not always that. Yeah, you sometimes have to guess it, and sometimes you're completely wrong. And sometimes it does nothing. And the connection between the infotainment system and my mobile phone, it takes ages. Oh my god, we are in 2022. No, we are already in 2023, I'm sorry. And honestly, it takes more than 1 minute that the car connects to my phone. My phone already says it's connected. Like, yeah, and everybody knows it could work way faster. Every JBL box connects instantly, and it takes ages. I don't get it. But that was the two bad things: the controls and the connection, the Bluetooth connection, I reckon, so far. Otherwise, I really love this car. You got so much space. Driving height is lovely, really lovely. You see above everyone. It's so fucking great for overtaking, because if you're higher than the cars in front of you, you see way further without driving on the other side of the road. Oh, G-Wagon. I think the G-Wagon is a little bit lower than this one when I'm in driving mode. I'm now in driving mode. It's not the highest setting. Yeah, so much about that. What I also love is here the middle console. You got a lot of space for your drinks, and you've got a cooling box underneath the armrest. I'm not sure if I can show you that. Here, yeah, you see I got some proteins with me. Yeah, it's a fridge. It's cooling. We got heated seats, ventilated seats, electronically adjustable steering wheel on the side, really lovely. And the boot is big as well. In fact, you have to push the rear seats all the way to the front, of course. You can adjust them as well. It's lovely too. But you have to push them at first to the front, then you got really a lot of space. It's easily accessible, except from the fact that the car and the loading lip, of course, is quite high. Except from that, you got a lot of space. Nice boot, really good. The gearbox shifts nice as well. In driving mode, when I go into sports mode, it's a little bit hard. And you know, in an M5, you got those shifts like bam bam bam, and yeah, you hear from the outside, you hear bam 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 because the engine is so loud, but inside you feel like nothing. it's just constant acceleration. In here in sports mode, it feels sometimes hard. You sometimes feel the gear change. You really feel the gear change. It's could be better. But it's not worse. It's not bad, but it could be better, to be honest. Otherwise, we got a lot of leather in here, over there as well. This is plastic, but to be honest, in here I do not expect too much leather because the Defender is today it's not the most common car for off-roading, but basically it is a proper off-roader, for sure. I mean, you got those arm bars over there if you're going over rocks and stuff for your passenger to hold, and it's so lovely. It's you can hear it. I really like this car because I didn't expect it to be this good. It's really nice, and 400 horses are enough. You could always have more, but they are enough. I overtook some cars today and you don't overtake one, you overtake 3, or at least everyone. All of you in front, all in front of you, you will overtake. It's fast enough for Austrian roads, and I think for most roads in the world, except from the German Autobahn maybe, because it will stop at 190 kilometers per hour, I think. Speaking about some data, fuel consumption is quite bad as well. I drive quite soft, I would say, but even when I'm driving, it takes about 12 liters per 100 kilometer. That's for a 6-cylinder engine nowadays. It's not perfect. Yes, I know this car is heavy, but there are this is not good in my opinion. And if you're driving faster, it might take 15 to 16 liters per 100 kilometers. That's quite a lot. But fun costs a lot of money. That's true. And of course, this car costs some euros as well, but it's totally worth every penny of that. So guys, thanks for watching this POV review by Seen Through Cars. I hope you enjoyed it. I managed to get such a great car. It's really hard in Austria because there aren't so many car guys, and if there are car guys, most of them cannot afford such great cars because we got really high taxes for the cars. Damn Austria, you're doing good in some other stuff, but in cars you're really unfriendly. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell on to get notified when I make a new upload. Hit the like button and leave a comment what you think about that. Thanks for watching, guys.